Sony invited me to an event called Kando Trip 2.0. It's a heavily packed photography and videography event that took place in Monterey, California. I was there from the evening of May 7th till the morning of May 10th. I wasn't invited to document it. I was invited to experience it, but how can I not? Welcome to day 2. Actually, if we count the day, we arrived day 3. Yesterday was amazing, packed with stuff to do. It's a beautiful morning, 7:30 right now. We have the natural soft light kind of sky. But first, that's right, Mr. Crow, it's breakfast time. Yes, thank you. I was going the wrong direction. Okay, I'm gonna hang up now. I didn't film the breakfast part, but it was something like this. Oh, yeah, what do you do? Yeah, I take photos. What do you do? I make stupid videos. Oh, good, you're a YouTuber. Yes, I am. So after that, now Sony gives us this option to get our gear cleaned. I know what you're thinking. That's very naughty of you. No, it's really, they're your cameras and stuff. So I'm going over there to get my gear cleaned. Okay, stop it. And then, since I had so much fun in the pool yesterday, I'm planning to go back to the pool and try the daytime underwater shoot. I think today, instead of bringing our alpha cameras, they're gonna give us the Sony RX0. I think they will be capable of taking good photos. They may look fine, but at least I won't be risking my own Sony a7R III. And also, that underwater housing was floating like crazy. So trying to dive in with that was a struggle. First world underwater nighttime photography problems. I brought my a6500, a7R III and all of my lenses to Sony Pro Sport, thinking I'll probably get them back by the end of the day. But they told me to come back in 20 minutes.
What's up?
A7R III didn't even need cleaning.
Let's find something to do for 20 minutes. I found coffee. Okay, I need both of my hands. Okay. Oh, much better.
When I went back to pick up my all cleaned gear, I was told that I keep my things in great condition. So if that ain't A+ for me, I don't know what is.
Here, your stuff.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, that's great to hear. Yep.
Nice.
It's approved. All clean.
All clean, man.
I have 20 minutes before the pool. Let's just wander around aimlessly. Let's go down to the beach. Ridiculous.
Daytime underwater photoshoot was much less crowded, so I got to experience and understand my part a lot better because I got to stay in the pool a lot longer.
Inspire media. You can see what we do, and
Yep.
underwater is really cool, and
Take my shirt off.
we'll tell you how to do it.
This goes over the shirt.
Yeah.
I'll see if I can.
I was aiming to steal a cart, but
that didn't happen. Instead, this happened. Only the cool people wear the helmets.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah, look at that. Yep, there is.
It's been 10 years since I biked, so you're really putting that camera stabilization to the test.
Oh, I love it. I love it.
One of those now.
Yeah, those are awesome.
Yeah. Did you bring a drone?
Oh, I've got it, yeah.
Oh, perfect. Here we go.
It's plotted though.
We're doing that thing again. Coming in hot. Just like Sleepless in Seattle.
Yeah, yeah.
And then close your eyes.
Just drive with your eyes closed.
Wow, the fun you're having. It's so fun. All right, well now I just hate myself. Oh, look at you guys, so cute.
I guess this is it. Justine is about to fly. You can keep us on the ground for so long. You have to fly eventually.
Today we're gonna be flying the Mavic Air. It, to date, I think is one of my favorite drones. It's small, it's compact, it's portable, and the best part about it is the joysticks.
Joysticks, yeah.
They come off.
Yeah.
I'm going to be flying the Spark. Yes, my Mavic Air, it's of the doctor, the drone doctor. So we've got the Spark today.
How about you?
Spectating.
Well, let's do it. Fantastic. It was super windy, but little Mavic Air still flew like a champ. And then of course it was time to visit the cats and dogs for one last time because I borrowed the 90mm macro lens from Sony support. By the way, check out my Instagram for the photos I took here. The link is in the description box below. Amazing stuff. What's your name?
Keone.
Keone. And what's your name?
Morgan.
Morgan. Yeah. Despite the crazy wind, Keone and Morgan kept things in perfect balance. Then, it was time to eat and enjoy the remaining hours of this amazing event. I have to say, videos don't make justice to what happens at Kando. It is impossible to explain the atmosphere. If you ever get a chance to visit this event, and if you have doubts, just go. People from everywhere gathered under one common passion. I've met truly amazing people here. I built brand new friendships in just a couple of days. In a couple of hours, it felt like I've known these people for a really long time. The kindness and fun was off the charts. Except for that one guy who accidentally kicked me in the pool. I hate that guy, and so should you. So that's it. This has been an incredible experience. The fun was endless. I didn't get to do a good 60-70% of the things, and I was running around every day. There's so much to do. It's fantastic. But it's time to go home now.